I'm here today on Maidstone Road in Chatham, where behind me you can see this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity of this detached property coming to the market. Its versatile layout boasts numerous rooms, which gives opportunity for an ideal family home or an investment. Also, there's an opportunity of a ground floor flat or an annex style area if you do have elderly people coming to live with you or teenage children. The property's location is just under half a mile from Chatham High Speed Station and High Street, and it's ideally located for all school catchment areas. Let's go and take a look around inside. The property itself offers substantial outdoor space. As you can see behind me, we have a really generous sized garden that both side access from the front, and to the front of the property you have a driveway with gated access. If you're interested in making this house your home, please contact me on the details that follow.